These days many people are interested in crypto investing, but when you actually try to get started, a lot of people feel confused about where to begin. Since Binance is one of the most widely used global exchanges, the sign-up process can feel complicated at first. So in this video I will show you how to sign up on Binance.com, from creating an account to completing identity verification and basic security settings in a way that anyone can follow step by step. This video is based on the global interface of Binance.com. Depending on your country, some buttons or text may look slightly different, but the overall process is almost the same. If you watch this video until the end, you will complete everything from creating your account to setting up basic security. First, to sign up, go to Binance.com. Type Binance.com in your browser and open the website. When the site loads, you will see a sign up or register button in the top right corner. Click that button. You can sign up using either your email address or your phone number. Choose the method that is more convenient for you. Enter your email address or phone number and then enter your password. For your password, use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it secure. Then agree to the terms and click the continue button. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the verification code you receive. At this point, your basic account is created. Now the next step is identity verification. This process is required for all users according to Binance global policy. On the screen you will see a button like verify or start verification. Click that button to begin. First, enter your nationality and basic information. You will need to enter your name, date of birth, and address. It is very important that this information matches your ID exactly. After entering your information, move to the next step and you will go to the ID verification stage. You can choose an ID such as a passport or a driver license from the available options. Follow the instructions on the screen and take a photo of your ID. Make sure the text is clear and there is no glare. Next is the face verification step. Turn on your camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete a simple action. This process is for identity confirmation. After this is done, the verification review will begin. Usually it takes from a few minutes to a few hours. Once it is approved, you can use Binance normally. But you are not finished yet. To use your account safely, you should set up security settings. Click the profile icon in the top right and go to the security menu. First, set up two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. You can choose Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. For better security, I recommend using Google Authenticator. Install the Google Authenticator app, scan the QR code and connect your account. After this, you will need extra verification when you log in or make withdrawals. This will greatly improve your account security. Next, set up the anti-phishing code. This feature shows your custom code in official emails from Binance. If that code is not there, the email is likely not official. Once you finish these steps, your basic setup for using Binance.com is complete. Let's summarize. Go to Binance.com. Create an account with sign up. Complete identity verification. Set up 2FA security. Set up the anti-phishing code. If you do these 5 things, you can use Binance safely. Next, many of you may be curious about how to deposit funds and how to trade cryptocurrencies. I will explain those very easily in the next video. This has been how to sign up on Binance.com.